Hey everybody, it's 12:38 and 8 seconds. I'm really sorry about the delay for this. It's October 26th. Just as I was about to run this, I got a phone call. I just got off it now. So this is mini number 1 for Tales to Astonish 44. Over here are the 20 filled spots. The way this one is, whoever comes in first place gets the first 6 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 3 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in third place will get the next available spot. They will be filled in order based on availability. So let's roll our 3 dice. Wow, never seen that before. 18. First time I've ever seen that. So here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and here comes the final one. 18. Brett Owen comes in first, and John Gray comes in second and third. So Brett gets the first 6, and John gets the next 4. Time is now 12:39 and 20.